Hello, I'm Chloe Lawson and I'm Head of Learning and Inclusion at BOM. BOM is an immersive space that brings digital learning and communities together. Engineering Inclusive Futures is a bespoke project for 20 special needs children to be inspired and visit high quality engineering organisations. We've received a number of funding grants from Millennium Point over the years, and I'm absolutely thrilled that they are supporting us with this particular project. The companies that we are approaching are top-notch engineering companies that already do a lot of inclusive work with gaming, with engineering, virtual realities, and what we're wanting is for the companies themselves to be able to explain their process as to how they create inclusive products, and more importantly as well for them to understand and the children to understand that relationship that needs to happen between companies and young beta testers is really important for the future of inclusive technologies. We have lots of woohoo moments with children. So you have the initial woohoo when they come to BOM and they see what we do and they're like, wow, this is really cool and exciting. We also have quieter woohoos when you see children getting on with work and their learning and they are emotionally sort of engaged in what they're doing. People who benefit at BOM and who we have impact for are going from children to autistic adults, people who are interested in tech, in developing skills, in underserved communities and sort of supporting people